Hello, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'd like to show you how we build personas in 2026. All right, let's go for it. So here we have the persona profile under the design phase, and you can create either a persona with Alex, so you can entirely generate a persona with Alex, or you can hit new and then you give a name to your persona. You select a Cemantica template. It can be blank, you can be a B2B template or a B2C template, or you can create your own organization template. Once this is done, this is the result. So we have Grace Tyler, and she is a persona, so you can see her profile on the left side. You can upload an image, select also an image from library, or generate an image also with Alex. Ask Alex to do it. Then you can add more information, on her profile here. Then on the right side, you can add different sections that are listed here: text, list item, image, slider, etc. And you can go down. So if I go down, I see a different type of characteristic of my persona. I can create, any type of section I need. I can see more, I can see less here, and I can change also the color, and I can, reorganize all the information. All right, pretty simple, easy, very nice way, to visualize your persona. So more is coming in 2026. So stay tuned. If you want to have more information, go on our website, cemantica.com, or write us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.